Hey, it's Jordan, the 1031 Doctor, and today we're going to learn how to not waste time searching for deals on LoopNet and Crexi. The 1031 Doctor has been buying, building, selling, leasing triple net investments across the United States since 1986, and we'll analyze any deal across the country for $299 and deliver it to you within 24 hours. Let's dive into this. Let's see how we do this. Crexi is a great site, but you have to know how to use it. And we're just going to do it real quick so that I show you how I do it. Uh, all types, we're not interested in all types. We just want retail. And we don't want daycare and nurseries. We don't want pharmacies. We don't want bars. We don't want storefronts, although sometimes storefronts are good. And let's apply that. The price is up to you. Cap rate, leave this blank. Don't put anything in there. You're limiting yourself. You want to see every property possible. And a lot of people that are asking 5 caps will wind up selling at a 7 cap at one point. You got to look at the old listings. So don't just look at the new ones. Let's see at the all filter. And location, if you're interested in a particular area, put it there. I would stay out of this keywords and I would stay out of tenants. But if you're specifically looking for McDonald's, you can put it in there and you'll see them. That's not a problem. I leave square footage out of this unless you're really interested in particular square footage. But I don't look at auctions, I don't look at highest and best, and I don't look at call for offers. Those are just a waste of time. Here are your classes. Now, I choose all of these credit ratings for even franchisees because sometimes franchisees are stronger than the actual corporate. And even no credit rating, you never know what you'll find. So hit all of those. Now, I only look at single, but we'll also look at vacant because you can find a vacant deal or a dark deal and make a lot of money releasing it. And I always look at those because that's how I make money. So we look at net, triple net, absolute net, gross, and grounds. Modified, that's basically a double net. So you can put that in there, but that's what you're going to find. You don't really have to do that. And on the time period, this is the most important thing. No time, leave this at any time period. You definitely don't want to limit yourself on that. Let's see the 999 listings plus, and there you have it. And that's basically it. And you can go through these real quickly. I stay out of Dollar Generals. Don't do those. Those are real garbage buildings. Strong credit, great company, but they are not married to these buildings. And a lot of times, this is just split face, but a lot of times there'll be metal buildings, real cheap and not worth looking into. So, anyways, that's the basics. And if you're interested in contacting me, please call me at 310-721-7375, Jordan at 1031doctor.com. And if you're in the middle of a 1031 exchange, you need some help, give me a call.